Step 1. Remove the shoulder bolt from the top side of the carriage. Step 2. Turn the actuator release lever 1/2 turn clockwise. Then slide the actuator release lever out of the actuator bar assembly by loosening the retainer shaft collar. Step 3. Remove the bellows. Then, remove the shoulder bolts fastening the 6 bearings to the actuator body. Then, remove the old bearings from the shoulder bolt and discard, saving the inside washer. Step 3. Insert the shoulder bolts through the new bearings and the saved inside washers. Step 4. Slide the carriage over the actuator assembly to line up the hole in the carriage with the tapped hole. Insert the shoulder bolt and tighten. Step 5. Slide the actuator release lever back into the bar assembly, then turn the actuator release lever 1/2 turn clockwise. Step 6. Using a spring scale, connect the scale to the carriage parallel to the actuator drive shaft. Pull on the carriage. The pull force should be 60 pounds. Step 7. If readjustment is required to achieve pull force with actuator bearings engaged to drive shaft, adjust the 2 outboard screws with springs that hold the actuator together. The actuator bar must be removed to reach the outboard screws. Turn each outboard screw equal amount when resetting. For more tension, turn clockwise. For less, counterclockwise. Adjust tension to 5/32 of an inch from under the washer holding the spring to the actuator block.